Hello everyone, welcome to the centralized learning platform, The Pillars. My name is Chanchal Yadav and I am a Master's in Physics from Central University of Haryana, Mahendragarh, and I am graduate in Physics from University of Delhi, and I am a BSc Honours Physics student. I qualified CSI and NET 2020 with AIR 137 and the GATE 2021 qualified. Being an academic oriented person, I am here to deliver lectures on this mathematical physics. In this playlist, I am going to discuss these topics of mathematical physics, and the topic that we will start with is the vector analysis. In vector analysis, we will discuss the vector algebra, that is addition, multiplication, subtraction, and then mainly the division by scalar of our vector thing. And then differentiation of vectors. We'll discuss the integrals, the integral theorem, the differential theorems also. Then we'll move to the orthogonal curvilinear coordinates, and then the double integrals and some theorems related to this. Triple integral will be also discussed in this vector analysis. What is this vector analysis? Mainly this vector analysis is going to cover the whole part of the first semester of BSc Honours Physics DU curriculum, correct? Next we'll discuss the Fourier series. The Fourier series will cover the periodic function, the Fourier series, even odd even functions, Euler equation, and also the complex form of Fourier series. After that, the next will be the determinants, properties of determinants, something very basic of determinants and properties. This is not too much long topic. This is a very small type topic and easy topic, that is determinant. Next, we'll discuss the matrices. In matrices, we are going to discuss algebra of matrices, eigenvalues, eigenvector, characteristic equation, rank of matrix, inverse of matrix. See, these are the major topics, means one type of, these are the highlighted topics for this mathematical physics portion, and we'll discuss so many topics in this also, correct? Next, we'll discuss the Laplace transform. Laplace transform, we are going to discuss this property of Laplace, applications of Laplace transform, and the last will be the inverse Laplace transform. And a very similar topic, very similar to this Laplace transform, next will be the Fourier transform and inverse Fourier transform. We'll relate our relation between these two later, and the relation or one type of similarity and dissimilarity between Laplace and Fourier later, when we will discuss these topics in details, correct? And at the last, we'll sum up this curriculum with academic with Dirac delta function. Last, we'll discuss the Dirac delta function. This will be included with the definition of this thing, and then Fourier and Laplace transform of this Dirac delta function, and last will be the impulse function. See, these topics will be useful for what? This will be useful for the academic syllabus for the DU, University of Delhi, MDU Rohtak, Kurukshetra University, IGU, and the Rajasthan University, Jaipur. And also will cover some numerical question related to these topics. Every topic, one lecture will be specially focused on the previous year questions for IIT JAM and MSc entrance, mainly for CUSET, BHU, RU type universities. We'll discuss on each topic. We'll deliver one extra lecture for this previous year questions for these MSc entrance exams. Okay, last thing I wanna tell you that the books that we are going to refer for these topics will be the H.K. Das, that is the Mathematical Methods by H.K. Das. Next, this is the very basic, and this is a very means real life connected thing, practical book, that is the Mathematical Method for Physicists by Afkin, Weber, and Harris. Last is the Engineering Mathematics by Irvin Kreyszig. Correct? These things we are going to discuss in this playlist, and I hope to see you all again in our lectures. Thank you.